Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Brawl Stars, and this time it's gonna be Spike. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is very simple. We're gonna start out with his eyes, which is just gonna be basically two big circles. So I'm gonna draw one and come over to the side a little bit and draw the same thing. It's gonna be pretty big. Okay, and then after those two circles, we're gonna come down and draw his mouth. So right in the middle here, just come down, you can make a little point. And then from that point, I'm gonna draw almost like a little half circle, or less than a half circle, just a little arc coming over, right around here. Okay, so that's gonna be the top of the mouth. And then we're gonna continue this, just kind of bracket it down. And then we'll just close off the bottom, just kind of round everything off. Alright, so that's his face, and let's go on and draw the rest of the head. So we're just gonna come out to the side here. I'm gonna draw like two little curves, just to show you the width of the overall head. And then now from these two lines, we're just gonna draw one big curve, big dome shape right over the face, the eyes. Alright, so once we have this, we're gonna come in and draw the rest of the body. So we're gonna continue this curve here. Just kind of give it a little bit of a bulge. This is actually gonna be, I guess he's wearing like a vest. And then I'll go back to this point here. Just gonna come down, past this line. Same thing on this side. Once you have this, I'm just gonna close it off. So it's gonna be his little vest. And then let's go ahead and continue down and finish up the legs first. So we're gonna come across right here. Just draw a line, but leave a little bit of space in the middle. So this is gonna be the top of his shorts. And then right in the middle, I'm just gonna draw one little curve. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna draw in his pants. So we're gonna, for his short, I'm just gonna extend the line, just come down, and then just come all the way across. Alright, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of folding here. Here's the middle, come over to the side. I'm gonna add one line like this. Back to the middle, come over to the side. Another slant. And then from this point here, I'm gonna come down. This is gonna be his leg. And then this side, come down, and then go out. And then close it. So really simple. Okay, so same thing here. Come back here, come down, down, and then out. Close it. And that's pretty much his lower body. Okay, so let's go back up and finish up a little bit of detail up here. He's got some, looks like some flower petals. So from the middle, go up and just draw one curve like this first, and then we're gonna come down into the head. And then there's gonna be two more, one on each side, a little bit smaller, and just come in. So same thing here, curve out, come in behind the head. Alright, so now let's draw in his arm. So this one's gonna be holding stuff. So let's draw in this one first, since this one's gonna be a little bit easier. So we're gonna come back up here, right where the vest is. Just come out a little bit, and then come in. We're gonna draw his thumb first. I know this might be a little bit strange, but just draw a little arc like this. And then from here, we're gonna draw his other finger. Just come down and curl it up. And then once you have that, we're gonna continue this curve. Just go right behind it. Okay, so those are his other fingers behind this one right here. Alright, so that's his hand, and let's move on to the other one. So the other one is gonna be holding this little, I guess, little cactus. So right here, I'm gonna draw one little circle just kind of out in nowhere. And then let's draw the flower. So this is gonna be just four little petals. Okay, and then from there, in the middle here, I'm gonna draw one little line, little slant. And then I'm gonna come back up here, just draw one curve all the way to this point. And then same thing on the other side, come up here, curve it. And then there's some spikes here, so I'm gonna draw one here in the back. Let's add another one here. And then this one's kind of pointing toward us, so I'm just gonna draw a circle. And maybe this one a little bit angle, and then round it off. Alright, and then now we can draw his arms, which is gonna be really simple. Just one little curve, connecting it. And on the bottom here, just come in, connect to the body. Alright, and then lastly for some detail, it's got some more spikes. One bigger one here and then a smaller one on this side. And on his arm as well. And I almost forgot, it's got some lines here. So in the middle, just draw one little line. And then we're going to continue that all the way down here like this. And then on the side, we're going to draw two curves. Just kind of follow the curve on the outside. And that is it for this spike. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.